Hi everybody, here we are going to see the Lewis dot structure for ionic molecules in CO3 2 minus carbonate ion, NH4 plus ammonium ion and NO2 minus nitrate ion. First, we can see the Lewis dot structure for carbonate ion. Step 1. Count all the valence electrons and the additional charges. Here in carbonate ion, the carbon has 2 negative charge, which means 2 extra valence electrons. We need to add 2 negative charge as 2 electrons. Here only one carbon, so 1 into the valency of carbon is 4 equal to 4. Number of oxygen is 3 into the valency of oxygen is 6 equal to 18, plus here 2 negative charge, which means 2 valence electrons. Therefore, the total number of valence electrons is 24. Step 2. Determine the central atom. The atom there is only one of, or put the least electronegative atom in the center. Here carbon is the central atom because there is only one carbon in this molecule. Also, carbon is the least electronegative atom than oxygen. Step 3. Draw single bonds between each atoms. Step 4. Put all the remaining valence electrons on the atoms as lone pairs. Here the total valence electrons are 24. We have used 6 valence electrons on the 3 single bonds. Remaining 18 electrons are here. Step 4. Put all the remaining valence electrons on atoms as lone pairs. We have 18 remaining valence electrons. We now put those remaining valence electrons on atoms as lone pairs. Count by 2 when adding them. Now we have used up all of our valence electrons. Step 5. If any atom not have an octet or duet, turn the lone pairs into double or triple bonds. Here, all the 3 oxygen atom has stable octet electrons, but the central carbon only has 6 valence electrons. In order to carbon get octet, one of the oxygen atom shares its lone pair to carbon atom. Now, all atoms get stable octet electrons. Here, in this molecule, we have 2 negative charge. We put it in outside of the square brackets, which means our Lewis dot structure of carbonate ion is now complete. The next molecule is ammonium ion. Step 1. Count all the valence electrons. In ammonium ion, the number of nitrogen present in this molecule is 1 into the valency of nitrogen is 5 equal to 5. And here in this molecule we have 4 hydrogen atoms. 4 into the valency of hydrogen is 1 equal to 4. And look at this molecule. Here 1 positive charge, which means we have to subtract 1 electron. Therefore, the total valence electron of NH4 plus is 8. Step 2. Determine the central atom. Nitrogen is the central atom because there is only one nitrogen in this molecule. Step 3. Draw single bonds between atoms. Step 4. Put all the remaining electrons on atoms as lone pairs. Here the total valence electrons of NH4 plus ion is 8. We have used 8 valence electrons on the 4 single bonds. Look here, now we have used up all the valence electrons. There is no remaining electrons. Then put a square brackets and put the positive charge on the outside of the square brackets, which means the Lewis dot structure of NH4 plus ion is now complete. The next molecule is NO2 minus nitrate ion. Step 1. Count all the valence electrons. In NO2 minus molecule, the number of nitrogen atom present in this is 1 equal to the valency of nitrogen is 5 equal to 5. And here only 2 oxygen atoms are present in this molecule. So 2 into the valency of oxygen is 6 equal to 12. Here only one negative charge, which means addition of one electron. So 1 electron equal to the total valency of NO2 minus is 18. Step 2. Determine the central atom. The atom there is only one of. Here nitrogen is the central atom. Step 3. Draw single bonds between atoms. Step 4. Put all the remaining valence electrons on atoms as lone pairs. Here the total valence electrons of NO2 minus is 18. We have used 4 valence electrons on the 2 single bonds and remaining 18 minus 4 equal to 14. We now put those remaining valence electrons on atoms as lone pairs. Count by 2 when adding them. Now we have used up all our valence electrons. Step 5. Check to see if any atom not have an octet or duet. Turn the lone pairs into double or triple bonds to give every atom an octet. Here in NO2 minus molecule, both oxygen atom has stable octet 8 electrons, but the central nitrogen only has 6 electrons. In order to the central nitrogen atom get octet, turn the lone pairs of any one oxygen atom into double bond. Now all of our atom has stable octet 8 electrons. Here in this molecule we have a negative charge. Put the negative charge in the outside of the square brackets, which means our Lewis-Dot structure of NO2 minus ion is now complete. Formal charge or chemical charge. A formal charge is the charge that an atom possesses in a molecule, assuming that the electrons found within the chemical bonds are all equally shared amongst the atoms that make up the molecule. Example, formal charges in ozone and nitrate anion. Ozone has 3 oxygen atoms. The first oxygen has 0 charge, second oxygen has 1 positive charge, and the third oxygen has 1 negative charge. The sum of formal charges is equal to the overall charge on the ion. The overall charge of ozone is 1 positive plus 1 negative equal to 0. Here in nitrate anion, it has 3 oxygen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. The first oxygen has 0 charge, the second oxygen has 1 negative charge, and the third oxygen has 1 negative charge. The nitrogen has 1 positive charge. Therefore, the overall charge of this nitrate molecule is 1 negative. How to calculate the formal charges of atoms in a molecule? The formal charge of an polyatomic ion or molecule may be defined as the difference between the number of valence electron of that atom in an isolated or free state and the number of electrons assigned to that atom in the Lewis structure. It is expressed as formal charge equal to total valence electrons minus non-bonding electron minus half into total number of bonding electrons. Here we take nitrate ion NO2 minus. In this molecule we have 3 atoms, 1 nitrogen and 2 oxygen atoms. Let's find the formal charge of every atom present in NO2 minus ion. Formal charge is equal to valence electron minus non-bonding electrons minus bonding electrons divided by 2. Let's start by doing in this oxygen here on the left. Oxygen belongs to the 6th group of the periodic table, so the valency of oxygen is 6 minus non-bonding electrons is 4. We can find it by counting the dots. Minus bonding electrons, here 2 bonds, which means 4 electrons divided by 2 equal to 0. The central nitrogen belongs to the 5th group of the periodic table, so the valency of nitrogen is 5 minus non-bonding electrons is 2, count the dots, minus here 3 bonds, which means 6 electrons divided by 2 equal to 0. And we take the right side. Oxygen, the valency does not change. The valency of oxygen is 6 minus non-bonding electrons, count the dots, 2, 4, 6 minus bonding electrons, here only one bond, which means 2 electrons divided by 2 equal to minus 1. Therefore, the overall charge of nitrate ion is -1, or the net charge of nitrate ion is -1. The sum of the former charges is equal to the overall charge on the ion. To know about formal charge helps to determine which of a few Lewis structures is most correct. Formal charge does not represent the actual shapes of a molecule. Formal charge do not indicate the real charge separation within the molecule. Formal charge tells you whether an atom has more electrons, that is negative charge, or protons, that is positive charge, associated with it. Formal charge help us keep track of electrons in a molecule. Thank you for watching.